It's about 6:30 a.m. in Monument Valley, Utah. Monuments are looking mighty fine this morning, as I'm sure they always do. They almost look two-dimensional on the horizon, like they're props in a movie. It's amazing. Such a defined silhouette, like nothing you can really see anywhere else. It's like another planet here. That pack of dogs you hear is at nighttime. They all come out and they just run the town. They meet up with other dogs, I think, and stuff. Just go from site to site, just running the show. Just up to a bunch of shenanigans all night. Those guys. Just Isle of Dogs around here. Feels like I got all I need here. My motorbike, my girl, and my coffee. Good morning.
Coffee for me?
Yeah.
Feeling a little better today.
You do?
Yeah, I think I had a good sleep.
Someone said we should charge a fee. Because people are running through our campsite. Yeah. Just get a look at it. Oh, holy smokes, you almost lost it.
It's a good day.
Those dogs, eh?
Okay, I think I've got it figured out. So the one on the right is Sentinel Mesa.
Yeah.
And then Big Indian Chief is right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
And then Castle Butte. And then the little one on the far left is Bear and Rabbit. Shower time.
The right power supply. I bet you your guy spent a lot of time in the power supply.
It's locked.
Okay.
Locked up.
Charging my stuff here and hey buddy.
Nice.
Tomorrow we head off to Moab, and today we're just charging some stuff, just doing some chores, hanging out, have a weenie roast maybe. And tomorrow we're off to Moab. Today we're just chilling. Put some kindling. There they go. We're in business.
Excited for dinner.
Maybe I should have found a stick to put it in this house.
Probably.
It'll do. Hot, but it'll do.
Kind of nice being the ones with the good smelling food for once. You know, like usually we're just smelling other people's good food.
Yeah, too
Eating
true.
granola bars and stuff.
Too true. Hound of some kind just rolled in. He was smelling, just sniffing around. He's like, yo, there's these dogs. There's street dogs around here. I was like, where are you guys putting me, man? So it's Moab tomorrow, Bonneville after that. So Moab tomorrow, Bonneville after that, Nevada, if you don't go all the way to Oregon, somewhere in Oregon, and then home, assuming all goes to plan. Whoa, crazy, eh? It goes by fast.
Mm-hmm.
I think it goes by so fast because every day you're busy just working on the day's plan. You're never more than that. So leaving the front door, it seemed like a big thing because you're looking at it as like a mountain of days, 30 days. But then as you, once you're like 2 days in, you're in trip mode and you kind of got the getting the rhythm down. It just goes by so quick. Doesn't feel like 30 days, doesn't it? It kind of does, but it kind of doesn't.
Mm-hmm.
Sort of like, isn't that the truth? Anyway, think about how much stuff we passed and couldn't stop for, you know? Just miles and miles of beauty we didn't see. We sure saw a lot though, it feels like.
Mm-hmm.
But if you start thinking about it, that you just flew through, how many states total? 15?
15, 16?
15, 16 states total.
We're going to the arch. I think we're close. I can smell it. Wow.
Yeah, you're fluent in monument speak.
I think I need some Dayquil and a good sleep again, and then I'll be right as rain tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta take a Dayquil too.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll, hopefully tomorrow will feel better, eh? Feel like fully better.